This video is on how to find cheap car insurance for young drivers. I did a Google search on this topic and I got over 89 million results. This is the first page. Here we'll scroll down and take a look. And we'll take a look at the first tab here. This is from Acceptance Auto Insurance for young drivers and teens. What you need to know about car insurance for teens, young drivers, how to find the right insurance for your drivers here, and types of car insurance that they offer here, and you can get a quote online here. This next tab is from uswitch.com, 9 ways to get cheap car insurance for young drivers, and you can go down and read this article. Pick a cheap car to insure, steer clear of car modifications, get an extra driving qualification, pay per year not per month, consider increasing your excess, things about the level of coverage you need, but don't assume third party is the cheapest insurance for your driver. 8. Add a named driver, but beware of fronting. And 9. Increase security and limit risk. The next page I'm going to look at is Nationwide. Buy cheap car insurance for your young driver. And they have some things that you can keep in mind. And then the next page here is how to get cheap insurance for young drivers. Now, these articles give you an idea of questions to ask an insurance agent, things that you need to know. But really, the best way to find the cheapest insurance for a young driver that you're looking to insure is to just do your homework. We'll finish scrolling down here, and if you want to look at any of these pages, you can just note the address in the address bar there and go to each individual page. But like I said, the best way to find the cheapest insurance for your young driver is do your research. Look at those articles so you know some of the questions that you might want to ask an insurance agent, and then you need to find an independent insurance agent that's in your area, and you want a number of different ones. So what you should do, look in your phone book under insurance and find an independent agent, not a captive agent. A captive agent is an insurance agent that's employed by just one insurance company, like State Farm. They don't deal with any other insurance agencies. They only deal with the one. What you want is an independent that has access to a number of different insurance companies. So look in your phone book for an independent agent in your area and pick a number of them. Call them up and tell them what you're looking for. And there's going to be a number of factors that is going to influence the quote that they give you. One is where you live. Another one is the age of the driver. Even if they're a good student or not. The better student they are, that can help to lower rates as well. And then the type of car that the student's going to be driving. That's also another factor. So, like I said, look in your phone book, but then you can go online here, and I like Anywho.com. It's pretty good at finding things in Yellow Pages, and you'd want to go to the Yellow Pages tab here. And what I would do would type in car insurance, and then your city and state. We'll just put St. Louis. Missouri, and do a search on that. And as you see, you'll get a number of results here, and you'll get name brands: Progressive, AAA, Geico, State Farm, Esurance, and then you'll also get independent agents. Now, I would call the independent agents because, like I said, they have access to more insurance companies. And you'll have to tell them the information, the age of the driver, where you're living, what type of car they'll be driving, all of that information, and call up a number of these independent agents and compare their quotes. And you'll want to pick of course, the cheapest quote, but not just the cheapest quote, but the one that'll give you the best coverage that you're looking for the money. And the location of the agent, you want to get one that's as close to you as you can, because there are some forms you'll have to fill out and other information. You might have to fax in or mail in forms if you can't drive there, but eventually you'll have to go there and sign. So you don't want to be making a really long trip just for insurance, because that would cancel out any savings that you would get if you have to drive a great distance. This has been a video on how to find cheap car insurance for young drivers. I hope this helps you out, and have a great day. Bye bye.